Niftylift is a privately owned company based here in Milton Keynes, and it designs, develops and manufactures aerial work platforms or mobile elevating work platforms. Our products are renowned around the world to be technologically advanced and innovative. I guess I started my working life as an apprentice with a large construction company. I studied a degree in mechanical engineering and production technology. I wanted to start my own business, so I started hiring out machines, and I realised there was quite a hole in the market. That's when I thought, perhaps we should actually fill that hole by creating our own product. I actually started making the first few machines in our hire shed, handcrafted them. First year we built about 30, the second year I think we might build another 30, and we actually built about 200. And that gave us the sort of confidence to go ahead.
As the business has grown, and it's grown significantly over the last 17 years, the fundamentals of how the business operates, that it's morally right, it cares about its products, it cares about the safety of its products and the end users, that has not changed.
In 2015, the Shenley headquarters and main manufacturing site was introduced within the company. This provided a world-class working environment within a very innovative architectural building.
It wasn't just a case of, let's go here, put a factory up and go for it. It's a case of, well, let's create an environment where our good people can create great products.
Innovation is key to any business like ours.
Niftylift spends a lot of money on research and development for new products. We've obviously got the SIOP system, we've got the tough cage.
It's imperative that the ideas are focused on making the product better for the user. For example, the hybrid drive system, you can run it as an electric machine or a diesel machine or a combination of both. They're high performing, but they're lightweight. You can use them on structures where you can't use a competitor's machine because it's too heavy.
They are low in weight, which allows us to fit more efficient, smaller engines. It allows for the product to be transported on a lower capacity transport whilst still achieving a very wide-ranging, versatile working envelope.
There's a lot of engineering goes into making a machine light, a tremendous amount.
The journey that we've been through and the constant drive for improvement has developed our products to be world-class.
I'm absolutely delighted with many of the people here. I think they're doing a wonderful job.
It's an open forum to be able to develop the company and its systems without limitations.
There's always a challenge, there's always something new, there's always new ideas to explore.
Niftylift people are very focused on what they do, from the top to the bottom.
It is a company that will continue to push you forward when it comes to both education as well as practical skills that you've learned.
Niftylift has let me grow, they've sent me on courses. It makes you feel valued.
I love my job. Every day is different.
I get to work with so many different departments, from purchasing to engineering to production.
Coming in and working as part of a large team to produce a Niftylift is a lot of fun.
We work with the local schools, the local college, and we run numerous programs, starting with the apprenticeship program.
The next generation of engineers are key to developing and growing the company going forwards.
We're not looking to stand still, we're looking to improve.
As we grow, we don't lose sight of the people, the quality, the efficiencies, the costs, the deliveries. We've got to keep a focus on what's important to the business and what's got the business to where it is today.
When I started on this journey 30 years ago, I never dreamed for a moment that we'd end up with a facility like this and the business like we have.